Right shield right there. That man walking. What the fuck? Tracer game? Nice.
I want one.
Hey everybody, my name is Jason, otherwise known as Airsoft, and what you have seen was just the most catastrophic gun failure of my life. However, I still will defend my WE SCAR until the day I die. It was a very easy fix, so I'll explain that later on. But right now, we're just going to have some fun with my WE SCAR L, A-Stack Tracer unit, playing a King of the Hill type game where we have to control a certain player who has a riot shield. And that is done via a control point in the center room. But I digress, this game was very exciting, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video that I cut for it.
It just looks so weird.
Yeah, no, it's the stock that makes it look weird.
And I see them country moves, boy. Let's not bottleneck. Move forward. I see one bottom in his head. I'm gonna be flanking right. Hit. That man walking.
Dead man. Dead man.
I apologize for the dumb assery that you were about to see.
Oh wait.
Yep, I'm on it now.
Okay. Hit. That man walking. Right shield right there.
So what happened was there's a screw that holds the metal frame where the stock slides, and that was never there. So that metal frame was not really even held in at all, and it just snapped clean off from the actual rest of the stock assembly.
I can't believe this happened.
It took me a little bit at first to really find a solution how to screw in a screw to secure it, and eventually I found that solution in the rear iron sights. The rear iron sights threading was the same exact threading, and the length just so happened to be very secure enough for the rest of the metal frame assembly to actually be held into place. So there's that solution. I hope that wasn't too convoluted. I am going really off the cuff here. I don't really have a prepared script, but I really hope you guys did understand what I was trying to say here. The gun is working and is as good as new.
Very dead.
But for the remainder of this match, I will be using my WE M1911 so that I can still be a useful member of my team.
Can't believe this happened. Come on guys, let's go push. If you have guns, you can use them. One poking his head out in the spawn area. Hit. Coming through. Dead man walking. Dead man
Well,
walking.
I think that's a good stopping point for this
Dead
video.
Man, dead man.
I still have some more action-packed
Dead man
footage
walking.
from this
Dead man
weekend, using my
Take
WB
your fire.
Scar,
Dead man coming
mind
through.
you. And I still,
Dead man.
again, will defend that gun until the day I die. As always, if you guys have any feedback, if you want me to stop defending my WB guns, and if you just generally enjoyed the video, please go ahead, like it or dislike it. Let me know what I can improve on. Let me know what I can keep on doing. And please leave your comment below.
Is it your slide?
Again,
just kind of
really
like
hope you
not
enjoyed the
cycling?
video. Take care.
Or you have a jam?
It like goes forward all the way when I don't have a bullet in it, and then